Hello and hi friends, my name is Suraj Chauhan and you are watching my channel Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna discuss and resolve this issue of Windows which comes with an error code of 0x80240031. We're gonna fix it itself on Windows 10. You have to follow a few steps. First of all, you have to open the command prompt as an administrator. For that you have to go on the startup menu and type cmd. Now you have to run it as an administrator by right clicking on this, then click on run as administrator, then give access by clicking on yes over here. Once the cmd is open, you have to type few commands. The first command is like this: net start WUAUSERV, then press enter. Then it should be net stop WUAUSERV. then again you have to type net stop CRYPTSVC. now you have to type net stop bits, then press enter. Now you have to type REN space C colon / Windows / software distribution space software distribution .old, then press enter. Now you have to type ren space C colon / Windows / system32 / catroot 2 space catroot .old, then press enter. Now you have to again start all those things: net start WUAUSERV, then net start bits, then net start CRYPTSVC, then press enter. Now you have to type exit. Now you need to just restart your PC and see that your problem has been resolved or not. If this step or this method doesn't work, then we have to skip to the another method, which was like this. First of all, you have to go on the startup menu. On the startup menu you have to type services. Now you have to run services. Once the services would be open, or you have to see on the left right hand side there are several options. You have to find out Windows Update. It must be on the last. See over here. Now you have to right click on this, then after click on properties. Now you can see the startup type: delete, start, automatic, manual or disabled. You have to click on automatic. Now you have to click on apply. Now you have to stop the services. Again you have to start the services. Then click OK. Then you can see on the left hand side there is restart the services. You just need to click on this. Close all the tabs. Now again you have to restart your PC and see that your problem would definitely be resolved by this method. Hope any of the method worked for you. If any method worked, then please give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If you still resist the problem, you can leave your comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 10 to 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.